So welcome to another video. We're going to see how we can fix a touchpad that is not working on HP laptop, as you can see from this video. The touchpad is not working. The touchpad is not working on this laptop. You can also see this indicator light. This indicator light is a sign that the touchpad is not working. As you can see from the laptop, it's not working. So we're going to see how to fix it. My hand is on the touchpad, but it's not working. And you can also see the cursor is not moving on the screen, so we're going to see how to fix it. Head over to PC menu on the search bar, type Control Panel. Control Panel and click on it. Usually this is how it would open when you click on it. Then on the right hand side, click Category and click Small icon. When it opens, click Mouse. It could appear differently on your HP laptop. So click Mouse. You would see Microsoft Mouse Touchpad. So you click on it. As you can see, touchpad is disabled. So just click on it and enable it. It is now on, so as you can see, the indicator light is no longer on. It's now permanently off. So let's see if the touchpad is now working. It's now officially moving. The cursor is now moving on the screen. As you can see, it's moving. So that's how you can fix your touchpad that's not working on your HP laptop. So thank you for watching.